Hello and welcome. I am Abhinav Anand, Associate Professor in the Finance, Accounting and Control area in IIM Kozhikode. My teaching and research interests are in banking, corporate finance, and asset pricing.
And I am Dr. Aswin Aloro, Assistant Professor in the area of Finance, Accounting and Control. My expertise lies in financial management and supply chain finance.
The investment banking industry is going through a rapid shift and is offering immense career opportunities. To help professionals gain a competitive edge, we bring you the certificate program in investment banking.
What makes this program stand out? Here are some highlights. 120 hours of rigorous learning over 10 months at IIM Kozhikode. Live online interactive sessions with IIMK faculty. Case studies with real-world applications. An immersive 2-day workshop at IIM Kozhikode. And moreover, an Executive Alumni Status.
Our teaching methodology offers a blend of theoretical exercises and practical wisdom. This is done by means of case-based discussions, hands-on training, project-based methods, simulations, as well as financial data modeling. This will equip the participants with the skills required to excel in this field.
This program fosters peer learning and collaboration, preparing you to tackle the challenges of the dynamic investment banking industry.
By the end of the program, you will be able to gain expertise in portfolio management and financial modeling, as well as insights into fintech and AI and blockchain in banking.
If you aspire to accelerate your career in investment banking, this is your opportunity to learn from IIMK faculty and industry experts. We are launching the third batch of this EMDP program with Jaro Education as our partner. To know more, please check out the link below. We are looking forward to welcoming you.